Hi guys, it's Kathy. I hope you're doing well. I have not seen this before. Child Protective Services officer gets they destroy her in this hearing. So I skipped the whole hearing. It's just the end. It's short. It's like 5 minutes long. Stay with me until the very end because that's when they really rip into her. Here we go. Subscribe for more great cases. It's free and it only takes a moment.
If he's going to be able to afford to, continue moving forward with anything. So, just an all around really terrible situation. I, I, I probably, I've never actually asked for sanctions against the department. I think they're warranted in this, but kids, my clients are doing okay. They're where they report being safe. They're where they report wanting to be. So I will just leave it with asking for some findings on the record.
Okay, thank you. Casa, real quick, what do y'all think, Ms. Gilson? Because I gotta go.
I'm actually in total agreement with Jennifer. The kids are good. I've talked to all the kids. They're happy and healthy, but this was not done correctly at all.
Okay. I got a lot to read. I have a meeting right now that I have to go to, so I will send you all my email. My ruling via email probably later on tonight.
Ms. Judge Mabry, could I be here? I know you have to leave, but
yeah,
we certainly, this is something that you would expect to see in communist China. There are rules in place. CPS circumvented.
Okay, I got it. Oh yeah, you haven't gone yet. Go, Mr. Hedlund. Go quick. Okay.
Just for the record, they have circumvented all of it. How you could take any kind of weight from CPS agent Hobson's testimony. There's no way to do that, Judge. We put it to you that she's not credible. She has a selective memory. She doesn't remember anything that we're asking about and everything that the department asked about regarding the very core of how she obtained the removal order fraudulently. There was no phone call from her to any of the folks, like she said, after the June 27th debacle at the church. She was aware that we made the children available. There was this email that she claimed, this text, this phantom text that was not submitted to the court because it didn't exist. We were where we said we would be. We made the kids available for an inspection and observation. After that, radio silence from CPS other than a phone call on a Sunday saying, hey, we need to see the kids this week. Let us know. They set it up on July the 2nd with these, quote, difficult people for a meeting on July the 3rd. That tells a lot, Your Honor. She testified, Hobson testified under oath today that she mentioned that the plan needed to be modified, on the one hand to me on the 27th, and on the other hand to you on the 3rd or the 2nd when she signed her affidavit. She swore to you that this family breached it. There's absolutely no evidence of a breach of the family agreement. There was no evidence of abuse, of choking. That's Kara's words in her affidavit. If you look at her affidavit on page 4, it says that she had her hands on her shoulders and around the neck. No choking. That was Kara's words. Okay. The department had all the facts necessary when they entered into the family plan on June the 16th. Nothing had changed regarding a safety concern. This phantom emergency that they created and then radio silence until they fraudulently obtained the removal order should be disregarded from this court. These children should be returned immediately to Texas, and we should operate either under the family plan or some other plan that the court would fashion. But to put Miss Billings at the disadvantage that the department has done so would trample her constitutional rights, as ad litem Harris identified, the children's constitutional rights. And yes, they're happy in Hawaii. That is Disney dad times 1,000.
Okay.
In the summer.
So they're with dad. They're with dad in Hawaii right now. Mom is in Texas. CPS came and just took the kids. took the kids, and everybody is losing their minds except for dad. And this is the one that they're going after. Now this judge, it's about 12:05 her time right now, and this hearing is going on. And I think she had a meeting at 12. So my thing is, lady, you're already late. You're already late. So why don't you just keep going? But she stresses everybody out even more. Here we go.
No school, no structure. The department couldn't even tell you who all's in the house, but they're telling you it's safe. So
I
we're,
want everybody to come, I want the lawyers and the parties to come back at 1:15 to have a very quick discussion about FBSS with the court. We'll be in a breakout room, okay?
all right, thank
So
you,
I'll
Earl.
see everybody at 1:15.
And we
Miss
request the sanctions. We certainly
I-
request the sanction that,
You can put a little bit more on the record then. I just have to go right now.
I'm sorry, Judge. All right, thank you.
That's okay. Okay, Ms. Wolf, can you come back at 1:15?
1:15, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And I promise it'll be quick. My dad's in ICU. I got a bunch of stuff going on. So
I'll be here. Go.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.
That sucks for the judge. But she asked for sanctions. All right. And then said no. Well, she said she should get sanctions, but she's not going to ask for it. He is asking for sanctions. They are going to do a hearing about this one right here and what she did and what she did not do. And looks like Child Protective Services are in a little bit of trouble for once instead of the other way around. So for anybody out there who has ever been investigated by Child Protective Services, it's their turn now. So hopefully it goes well for her. Thank you for coming out today, guys. I appreciate it. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.